Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a rose bouquet table mat. We'll use the same pattern and the same colors as the coasters I shared earlier. It's a great way to make your table look elegant and coordinated. For more patterns and written instructions, please visit my website at crochetstrands.com. We'll be using a 2.20mm crochet hook to make the table mat. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. It really helps me out. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin the table mat by making a magic ring. Chain 2. Then make 12 double crochets into the ring, counting the chain. Make a slip stitch into the top of the first chain to finish the round. Chain 2. Work 1 double crochet into the slip stitch space. Chain 1. Make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Then chain 1. Work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Now, make 2 double crochets into the top of each of the 12 stitches from the first round. You should now have 12 groups in total. Don't forget to chain 1 between the groups. At the end of the round, chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of the first chain. Chain 2. Then make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 1, and let's move on to the next group. In the next group, make 1 double crochet into the first stitch and 2 into the second. Chain 1. In the next group, work 1 double crochet into the first stitch and 2 into the second. Keep repeating this until you reach the end of the round. At the end, chain 1 and join with a slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 2. Make 1 double crochet into each of the first 2 stitches, then 2 into the third. Move to the next group. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch and 2 into the last one. Chain 1. In the next group, work 1 double crochet into the first 2 stitches and 2 into the last. That gives you 4 double crochets in total. Repeat this pattern until the end of the round. And hey, if you're enjoying this, tap that like button and subscribe for more patterns. At the end of the round, chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of the first chain To finish. Chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, then 2 in the last. Chain 1, move to the next group. Work 1 double crochet in each stitch until the last, then 2 in the final stitch. That gives you 5 double crochets in the group. Keep chaining 1 between each group. Chain 1. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, and 2 into the last one. Just keep repeating this, all the way to the end of the round. From round 3 onward, the pattern stays the same, 1 double crochet in each stitch, and 2 in the last. In round 2, every group has 2 double crochets. In round 3, each group has 3 double crochets. In round 4, each group has 4 double crochets. In round 5, each group has 5 double crochets. After round 2, we always worked 2 double crochets into the last stitch of each group. Keep building the pattern like this until it's the size you want. You can make 11, 13, or even 15 rounds. It's totally up to you. Whichever round you're working, each group should match the round number in double crochets. So if you're on round 8, make sure each group has 8 double crochets. I worked a total of 13 rounds after the magic ring. When growing the circle, make sure the total number of rounds is an odd number. In round 13, you should have 13 double crochets in every group. Chain 1 at the end of the round, and finish it off with a slip stitch into the first chain. After chaining 1, cut the yarn. Next, grab your green yarn. We're moving on to the rose leaves. Attach the green yarn to the top of any stitch from the last round. Chain 4. Skip 2 stitches, then make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 4. Skip 2 stitches again, then single crochet into the next stitch. Don't forget, count the chain spaces between groups as stitches too. They matter here. Chain 4. Skip 2 stitches, then work 1 single crochet in the next. Go ahead and chain 4 again. Skip the next 2 stitches, and single crochet into the third. Keep going with chain 4, and single crochet, until you reach the end. And if you've made it this far, you're doing amazing. Don't forget to like the video. So far, I've created 55 chain spaces. We need an even number of chain spaces for this part. Let's chain 4 more to make that 56th space. Now, skip 1 space, slip stitch into the same stitch where you first joined the yarn to finish the round. That's it. We now have 56 chain spaces. Go ahead and single crochet right into the first chain space. You've got this. Chain 4, slip stitch into the second chain. Chain 3, make a single crochet into that same chain space. Move to the next chain space and work a single crochet. Chain 4, slip stitch into the second chain. You're doing great. Keep going. Chain 3. Then, single crochet back into the same space. Move into the next chain space and single crochet. Just keep repeating this to form triangle shapes. Let me know in the comments how your project's coming along. At the end of the triangle round, slip stitch into the top of your first slip stitch to finish it up. Chain 4, then slip stitch into the second chain. Chain 3. Make a single crochet into the same space. Slip stitch again into the first slip stitch space we made. Chain 1, cut the yarn. And now, let's continue with yellow yarn for the roses. Attach your yarn to the single crochet on the left side of any triangle. Chain 14. You can add more chains if you'd like the roses to be bigger. Work 2 double crochets into the 4th chain. In the next chain, work 3 double crochets. Keep going. Work 3 double crochets into every remaining chain. Work 3 double crochets into the last space. Then chain 3. Make a slip stitch into the same space. Then curl the stitches upward and inward to form the rose shape. Flip your work to the back side. Pass your hook through any space and work a slip stitch. We're still at the back of the design. Slip stitch into the first single crochet on the next triangle. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. Fasten the yarn into the single crochet on the left side of the second triangle after the rose. Chain 14. Now, work 2 double crochets into the 4th chain. Keep going. Make 3 double crochets into every remaining chain. I've placed the roses side by side across the leaves. I hid both yarn ends by knotting them between the roses. Let's finish the last 2 together. Start by tying these ends. We've completed every step of the rose table mat. Together with the coaster, this brings an elegant look to your event table. Or you can simply use it this way, if that's what you like. That's all for today's video. I truly hope you found it helpful. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel. Bye for now, and happy crocheting!